Then last shape to investigate is the W14 shape now because this is the last shape in the table man. So we'll investigate W14 shape. Then for Rx over Ry is equal to 2.44, the approximate ratio for all likely possibilities. Because remember, katong ganina nga atong i-compute, di ba? The ratio of KXL over KYL. For the strong axis to control, di ba dapat the value of your Rx over Ry should be less than 2.5, should be less than this, no? Then we'll assume a number less than 2.5 nga since ang possible man gud ani nga figure is that the kx in the strong axis, the strong direction will control, no? So dapat the value of your Rx over Ry should not be greater than 2.5 para the KXL, no, or in the strong direction will control. So munang we'll assume a number nga slightly less than 2.5, which is since this W14 is the last shape nga we're going to investigate. So we'll set a value of Rx of Ry equal to 2.44, which is slightly lesser than 2.5, no? For the strong axis, a strong direction to govern, no? The KXL. So, munang gigamit na to ang 2.44. Then, the approximate ratio for all likely possibilities, no? For this KX and govern, no? So, munang 20 in the strong direction or length, effective length, divided by the is 2.44. The answer is 8.197, which is slightly greater than 8 feet. Then, kani siyang 8.197, ato siyang himuon og 9. Will ka ng round off into 9, the conservative approximation of the actual effective length. Actually, the actual effective length is this 8.197. Then, wala ko siya i-value. Pero pwede man siya. We're just going to interpolate. For us nga, para mapadali, we can set no, KL just equal to 9 feet instead of this 8.197. So, KL is equal to 9 feet. Then, ipakita sa table, KL is equal to 9 feet. Dapat greater than the factored load, no, 840 kilopounds. So, using KL is equal to 9 feet, W14, no, 9, this is 9, slightly greater than 840 kilopounds. So, this 74, no, with value 854 kilopounds is the shape. So, mauna, W14 by 74 with a capacity of 854 kilopounds is the lightest W14 shape. Since 9 feet is a conservative approximation of the actual effective length, this shape is satisfactory. Yes, among those katong na-select na W, unsa tong ganina. First is the W10 by 88 and W12 by 79 and W14 by 74. This W14 by 74 is the shapes that we investigated. So this is the answer W14 by 74. This is for LRFD solution. For ASD solution, um, pariha raman siya, no? It's just that the applied load is just equal to dead load plus live load, no? Then the selected shape should be greater than this, no? Like that's up siya. Like this. Then, again, the same procedure, we assume the KL is equal to 12 feet. Now, using this solution, actually, no, we assume Rx over Ry is equal to 1.7. Then for ASD, the same gihapon, gamito nato ng KL over, KL is equal to 12 feet. Then, tanaw na to sa table, wala gihapoy WH shapes with enough load capacity. Then, proceed ta sa W10 proceed ta sa W10. Then, with KL is equal to 12 feet, then the value for ASD is 685 kilopounds. So, parehara siya, no, sa atong example ganina. Then, the actual value kani siya for this shape W10 by 88. Then, finding the Rx and Ry in the other table, no, table 1-1, you'll get the ratio. Then, this is the actual effective length, no, in the x direction, less than 12 feet. So, using this actual 11.56, tanaw mo sa table, since wala man tayo exact nga value ng 11.56, again, no, by interpolation na pod, you will get, by interpolation, you will get this value, 535 kilopounds, which is greater than 560. So, this is okay. This W10 by 88 is okay. Then, we proceed to investigate W12, no, shape, W12 by shape. The same procedure gihapon that we did. So, pangitaon gihapon nimo ang, again, kanang, using this KL is equal to 12 feet, no? You will get the value nga greater than kuan 560 kilopounds. Mahanap nimo ni siyang W12 by 79. Then, tanaw nimo ni siya sa table na put to get the values for Rx and Ry. Then, get the ratio. Then, the actual effective length, no, is equal to 11.43. Then, by interpolation, wala man na siya exact na value. So, mag-interpolate ka, the value is 599 kilopounds, is greater than 560 kilopounds. So, okay. The next to investigate is W14 shapes, no? The same procedure gihapon, you will find, yes, 2.44. So, mo man siyang value ganina nung atong gi-assume slightly lesser than 2.5. So, that mo control gihapon ang this strong axis, no, strong direction. So, you will get this ratio, this KXL equal to 8.20, greater than 8. So, for 8.20, or actually, pwede siya ni mahimuon og 9. Or, you can use this 8.20 to interpolate. Then, you will get the value of your allowable strength, no, which is greater than 560 kilopounds. So, the same with LRFD, use W14 by 74, which is the lightest of the three possibilities, no, for ASD.